Ito yung story kung paano dumating ang dalawang pusang ito sa buhay namin. Sa totoo, hindi namin sila hiningi, hindi rin namin sila binili, at hindi rin sila sa amin binigay. Dumating na lang sila sa buhay namin. My husband and I are married and we don't have kids yet. And apparently, I have general anxiety and at the same time, kakagaling ko lang from PCOS and I was praying to God to teach me how to be a good mom. Kasi growing up, hindi naman din talaga ako nag-alaga ng bata and yung pet sa bahay namin ay makabantay. So, etong dalawang pusang ito ay dumating sa bahay namin after our 8-day trip last New Year's and Christmas sa La Union. Nandun na lang sila sa labas ng apartment tour namin and kawawa naman sila. Hindi namin alam kung paano ito napunta dito. Akala nga namin may pet owner to kasi may color na green and hinanap yung owner pero nalaman ko na this cat belongs to a pet shop that used to operate next to our apartment building kung saan kami nagre-rent. But umalis yung pet shop owner at iniwan yung pusa. For short, inabandon siya. Meron siyang 3 kuting, namatay ang 2 and may isa na half-blind na natira and okay na ngayon yung kuting. And 2 sila. We just got them a litter box and we are continuing to feed them and to take care of them. They're now family.